Up here. Screws.
Hey, Daddy, do you know
Why do we have to unscrew screws? Screws. I nailed it. I'm making terrible puns.
Daddy, do you know
Where what?
the color powder?
Oh, we might be out.
Really?
It was in the same drawer as the hammer and the... Oh, that's because you weren't in the...
Yeah, I know. It was at the very edge. I love nailing.
Are you
puns.
pushing down? You don't need to push down, especially when you can just hold it.
I love making nail puns because I always nail it.
Yeah. Go slowly. You need to go a little more gently. Like, don't just jam the trigger down. Even if you want it to go fast, squeeze it slowly until it's going fast. And you'll have a better time.
I don't like having screws up here right where I'm about to sit. So now I'm gonna have to move here. Probably just put it behind me.
Good job. There you go.
Hey, Daddy, can you tighten this all the way?
Oh my god, this is burning my
So that one
hands.
doesn't really work either, Jonah.